Most of the people on this planet are poor, but in this free world with unlimited opportunities, where people can do a lot of things to make money, why are most people poor? Cannot focus. In this age of social media, it's very hard to stay focused when you have a super engaging and addictive content around you, which is made with the sole purpose of keeping you on the phone. Lack of focus can have a profound effect on our financial situation. When we lack clear goals and priorities, it's easy to get sidetracked by short term pleasures and non essential expenses. This can lead to overspending, neglecting financial responsibilities, and limiting our earning potential. One of the ways that lack of focus can be particularly damaging is through a lack of direction in our careers. Without a clear sense of purpose or direction, we may find ourselves jumping from job to job without making significant progress in our career. This can ultimately lead to a lack of upward mobility and limit our earning potential. To overcome this, it's important to set clear financial goals and priorities and develop a budget or financial plan. By doing so, we can ensure that we are using our resources in a way that aligns with our long term objectives. Additionally, practicing mindfulness exercises can help us stay present and focused on our financial goals, reducing distractions and increasing our chances of success. Lack of financial education. Financial education is not widely taught in schools, and many parents are also not equipped to teach their children about finances. This leaves many people without the knowledge and tools they need to effectively manage their money. Financial education can include learning about budgeting, saving, investing, credit scores, and more. There are many free resources available online, such as personal finance blogs, YouTube channels, and podcasts. Some recommended resources include The Simple Dollar, Dave Ramsey, and The Financial Diet. Living above their means. Living above their means can lead to a cycle of debt and financial stress. It's important to live within your means and create a budget that includes savings and investing for the future. One helpful tool is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessaries, 30% towards discretionary spendings, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. There are also many free budgeting apps available, such as Mint and You Need a Budget or YNAB. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, consider supporting this channel by liking this video and hitting that subscribe button. Lack of discipline. Building wealth requires discipline and consistency. This means avoiding impulsive purchases, sticking to a budget, and prioritizing saving and investing. One helpful tool is automation, where you set up automatic contributions to savings and investment accounts. This can help remove the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. No willingness of learning. However you want to make money, you have to gather knowledge. Doesn't matter if you want to do business or a regular job, you have to opt for learning valuable things. You have to go through a learning curve, and most people are too afraid to face it. This can occur in a number of ways. For example, growing up in an environment where education is not emphasized may lead to a lack of motivation to pursue higher education or skill training. Additionally, financial barriers such as high cost of education or lack of access to resources may make it difficult to pursue learning opportunities. Fear of failure. If there was a video online that shows you exactly how you can make money from start to end, still, most people wouldn't follow it. Most people would be too lazy to even finish that video, and among those who will finish the video, most will not even start working accordingly to that. A lot of those who will start working will give up midway, and finally, among those who reach the finishing line after failing again and again, will make it. Fear of failure can be paralyzing and prevent people from pursuing opportunities that could lead to wealth. It's important to remember that failure is a natural part of learning process, and many successful people have experienced failures along the way. One helpful mindset shift is to view failure as a learning opportunity and chance to improve and grow. Lack of ambition. Most people are content with their current financial situation and don't have the drive or ambition to pursue wealth. However, it's important to remember that financial stability and security can provide many benefits, such as ability to pursue passions and hobbies, travel, and give back to others. It's never too late to start building wealth, and small steps can lead to big progress over time. And finally, low income. Low income can make it difficult to save and invest, but it's not impossible. One helpful strategy is to focus on increasing your income through education and skill development. This can include taking online courses, pursuing certifications or degrees, and networking with others in your field. It's also important to take advantage of government programs and assistance such as food stamps, housing assistance, and healthcare subsidies. So that's all for the video. Like and subscribe, and bye bye.